back with a new vlog in Osaka. I'm going to take a train to go to Kobe now. Now we're going to the Kobe Museum. It's just me, my backpack and my dream. Le musée est fermé, du coup là on va improviser et on va partir à la plage. Mais en fait sur le truc il est marqué ouvert mais il est fermé. Je comprends pas. Donc là on va partir à la plage. Ok, c'est bon pour vous? Let's go. Indecisive. I don't know if I should go back or keep walking, but my phone is getting down. But the sunset, I want to see the sunset at the beach. What am I supposed to do?
I am such a beach girl. I absolutely love being by the water and spending time at the beach. If you followed my vlogs when I was in Australia, you know that I was at the beach every single day, and I could spend hours and hours there. I find that the beach is a place that relaxes you and brings happiness. It allows me to recharge. I don't know. I have this emotional attachment to the beach that I can really explain. Do you have any place that make you feel like that?
End 24.
That's so funny because how can you lost your children in your items? They have to precise.
Now explain to me why I'm eating like it's my last day on earth. Like, come on sis, calm down, take your time. Oh my god.
I open the camera and I'm seeing my face, I'm like,
I've been like of the females.
really?
Since I've been to any of the events. But I did go to New York as well. But I wasn't there at night. I was there
That day, I met two wonderful people. They were so sweet to me, and I had an amazing time with them. We laughed a lot, and I had so much fun, even though we didn't know each other. The time I spent with them was just so great. If you ever pass by here, hi, Diana and Astrid. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again someday.
Definitely. I'm going to the museum of this park, and it's over there around here, so I will see you inside because I feel like it's so pretty too. So let me just walk around and find the place to stay in. And I think I have to pay a little bit, but it's not that much. It's not like €5 or something. So yeah, let's go inside. I don't know if I want to go to Hijime or Wakahayama. I think that's the name. Because both of them are far away. Alright. So I'm allowed for the airport to have two luggage, like suite luggage, and one carry bag. But I only have this one, and I don't know if I'll get another one because I don't want to walk around the city with like all this luggage, and I have to go and see if there is an elevator around the how do you call that, the subway station. but I'm going to take the train to the airport. So what I was thinking to do is packed, because I got this, and this was already 14 kilo, and I have like 2 luggage with up to 23 kilos, so I have to see if everything will be good. So I think I will pack this and repack this, and if I have more stuff, because I need to get more stuff from my mom and my little sisters, because I didn't get them anything. Oh, and my older sisters too. So I might go to Daiso to get like some little stuff for them. So now I need to see if I have some new luggage or not. I'm in the middle of April, and I have to pack my shoes again. So yeah, jump first. See you in one. Cherchez le top 17 de Kimi et Todoke. Il n'y a pas de top 17 ni le top 18. Il y a 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 jusqu'au 30. Mais il n'y a pas le top 17.
For my last night in Japan, I decided to eat at a restaurant I saw on TikTok. Lol. It's run by her father and his son, and they were so kind. The food was amazing, and the sushi selection was quite diverse. They even cooked right in front of you. I really loved it. I can't wait to go back.